Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we got unboxing of RoyPow transformer converter. This one has 120 watts maximum power. Let's open the box and see what we got inside. So inside here we got the device RoyPow, which is powered by UK brick with a cable of 1 meter long, and on the other side we got a 12-volt socket about half a meter long. You can use this device to power your car accessories like this Bestech power inverter, or vacuum cleaner, or cooler box, or everything like tire inflator, everything you got like car accessories. You can use this device to power it on and use it not only when you're around the car but when you're around the house also. Like you can inflate the pool when in the summer, or you can inflate your bike tire, or you can inflate your football balls, or everything that needs to be inflated. And I got my tire inflator at the car and I use that to inflate everything around the house. And I need this powerful tool because previously I bought smaller power tools, but this one here is 120 watts and is power enough to be used with everything. That's all for today, and I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share it on social media, and give us a like on this video if you enjoy it and it was useful. And stay safe until next time. I wish you all the best. See you later.